The annual tradition continues for the celebration of Independence Day. Old-fashioned 4th of July fireworks is a night of free entertainment and fireworks at Clark County Fairgrounds. This evening of family fun begins at 6 p.m. and the evening will conclude with a spectacular fireworks display by Rossie's Famous Fireworks. Please enter the Clark County Fairgrounds using Gate A1 on Route 41. This event would not be possible without the generous support of area businesses, community members, and K99.1 FM. Call 328-PARK for more information. The event is organized by National Trail Parks and Recreation District and funded by donations.